Hey guys, it's Raquel here. So it's been a minute since I posted a video. I was reluctant if I wanted to post this one because one, I'm not feeling 100% today, and two, so I'll go ahead and explain. I got my Jeffree Star box today, and if you can tell from the logo here, this is from the new BloodLust collection. Quite a story again to get this. So to sum it up, I basically have 3 different boxes coming. 2 are coming from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and one of them is coming from Morphe. So this is one of the Jeffree Star boxes. Not quite sure which one, exactly what I'm going to be finding when I open this. I'm going to go ahead and while I'm talking, I'll start cutting it open. I did order the BloodLust palette, the lip bundle, and all but one of the glosses. I can't even remember. I think he had 5 glosses, and I ordered all but one. And I also ordered a mirror, and also he snuck in there that he had restocked the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson conspiracy palette, and so I went ahead and I also bought that as well. So let's go ahead and open this one up here, and we'll go ahead and see what I got in this box here. Okay, so we're doing a little bit better than normal when it comes to opening these. Okay. I know it just gets stuck right there. All right. Here we go. Oh, so this is what it is right when I open it. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. I got 2 more boxes coming, so this will just be like part 1 of 3 videos. Lots of tissue. Okay. All right. So here we go. This one is going to have my order that had my conspiracy, and I'm dying for this packaging. Look how adorable that is with the little peg and the Shane Dawson logo with the Jeffree Star. I even like the sticker here. Let's go ahead and open this one. Oh my god! I'm just obsessed with like the colors, all the prints. All right. Conspiracy. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, it feels nice. The packaging on point. Jeffree, thank you, because Shane, wouldn't have done any of this if it wasn't for you. Okay. All right. It's exciting. Okay. Oh, like right when I look at it, if you can see right there, there's just like some crud on it, but it just wiped away. It's okay. Wow, the detailing on this. Like, okay, so here it is. Even the little Jeffree Star logo is like pink, the lettering on it. Very small, but it's all in the details. This is so pretty. It feels very nice. Go ahead and open it. Okay, okay. Oh, I love this. Okay. Protective covering. Oh, and pause. And we're back. So, having children is just so much of a blessing. Anyways, so here is the palette. I'm living for the colors. I love like the neons mixed with, really neons. It's really just like that one and that one. But I just like the bright, bold colors mixed with like the dark colors. So pretty. Ugh. So very pleased with this. We'll have to definitely do a video with these. Very excited about that. Okay. Conspiracy. Next, there's just a lot going on in here. More tissue. I'm going to have to start keeping these. All right. So I got more tissue. Like the amount of tissue I have. All right, so I have 2 of the glosses that I ordered. I think I'm just waiting for 2 more. And these are from the new BloodLust collection. So this first one is sickening. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on, and then I'll probably just wipe it off and then put the other one on as well. I just feel like such a dumbass when it comes to opening this shit, because I'm like, why doesn't it just come out? Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is like a nice, like purple. It looks like it has like some pink in there, like pink and more purple, like sparkles in it. It's super cute. The gloss. Ooh, that good. Oh, and it smells really good too. I'll go ahead and, oh, that shine, girlfriend. I don't know where my mirror is. Okay. And this is in the shade Sickening. Do one more. Oh. Super pretty. All right. There it is. Nice purple, really cute. So I'm sitting here like I don't know where my mirror is. While I have this on, before we open the next one, I'm gonna open the BloodLust mirror that I got. And then it reminds me, BloodLust. I just love all the little details, like all of his packaging, like from the tape to the stickers and the tissue paper, the box, like all on point with whatever that collection is, or like whatever is like going on with that at that time. Go ahead and fuck this up too, because I'm an idiot. I can't open anything. Okay. Here it is. It is really big. Holy smokes. Here is the mirror. I got the crown mirror. Had to. Woo! It is like really big. Here is one of the like traditional star mirrors. So there you go for a size comparison. Really? Way bigger. Super cute. I love it. So, oh, so this is really cute. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off so I can go ahead and try the last gloss that I have in there. And the one shade that I wasn't able to get was Wizard's Glass, I want to say it was called. And then like after reviewing and like looking at them and seeing people like posting with them wearing the shades, Wizard's Glass is probably the one that I wanted the most, because I think it was the most like day-to-day wearable one. All right, so that's all gone. Go ahead and open my last gloss, and this one is in Lord Star. We'll go ahead and open this one and struggle with it as well. Maybe I can be. There we go. No struggling this time. Got it. Wow. This one is quite a statement. It's like a fuchsia, hot pink, hot purple, just all of the above. We'll go ahead and put this one on. Oh, I just love that they all just smell like I want to eat some frosting or something. Go ahead and put this one on. Girlfriend, like, do you see this? This might as well be a liquid lip. All right. That pigment. Holy cow. I mean, holy cow. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go in for like one more coat. Oh, like honestly, when I saw people wearing this online, I thought they had like lipstick on underneath it. I didn't realize that the pigment was going to be so intense. And that, oh, that like shine. Oh, it just goes right across. Oh, woo, Jeffree. He needs to come out with some fans for this heat that he is bringing. Okay. All right. Love it. That's all I got so far in my box. So I'm still waiting on 2 more of my glosses. The liquid lip mini bundle with the BloodLust collection, and of course the BloodLust palette. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll take this out. Queen, this is the little card that it came with. And then the other side is just a picture of the BloodLust palette. So that is all I have so far. 2 more boxes coming. I'm hoping maybe they'll come on the same day so I can just morph it into one video. I might just mash those 2 together. This one's a little bit longer than I anticipated having it be. I want to open it like immediately when I get them, but I want to make sure that I film the experience to share with everybody. But anyways, tell me what you think. Did you get anything from the BloodLust collection? I wanted to get all of it. The only other thing that I did get was my friend Ashley was able to snag me the new purple side bag, and that should be coming hopefully soon. And I think I'm definitely going to probably make some makeup videos this weekend, and I'll go ahead and have those uploaded for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below what you think about the collection. I mean, I'm really just like in shock of the just pigmentation of this. It's not like sheer or anything like at all. I mean, I can't believe it. And so yeah, and then don't forget, go ahead and check out my other videos. I have a lot of unboxing material and things that I've uploaded and filmed in the past, and a lot of like fun little makeup looks that I've done. And anyways, hope y'all have a good day.